Hi, I'm Andy Meyer with Efficiency Maine. I'm here to tell you how to save money on water heating using a rapidly advancing technology called the heat pump water heater. If you've already upgraded to low-flow showerheads and aerators, and you've already switched to high-efficiency clothes washer, then upgrading to an efficient water heater is likely to be your next best investment. And a heat pump water heater may be the ideal choice. They work like an air conditioner, but rather than moving the heat from the room to the outdoors, they move the heat from the room into the water tank. Heat pump water heaters are highly efficient. For every unit of electricity they use, 2 units of heat are added to the water, 1 from the electricity plus 1 from the room. Compared to traditional electric water heaters, heat pump water heaters can save the typical Maine household about $250 per year. Over a 12-year life, that's $3,000. 2 other benefits are that while they heat the water, they also air condition and dehumidify. Keep in mind that since they run based on demand for hot water and not humidity or room temperature, they assist but don't replace dehumidifiers and air conditioners. For example, if you go on vacation during hot, humid weather, the unit won't need to heat water, so it won't air condition or dehumidify. Set the temperature according to your preference. In general, lower temperatures save energy by reducing heat loss from the tank. Higher temperatures allow the unit to handle more demand. High temperatures also increase the risk of scalding, so a common default setting is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If you find you need more hot water, you can try increasing the set point. Most heat pump water heaters today are hybrids. These hybrids allow users to combine the energy savings of a heat pump with the rapid heating capacity of electric heating. Common modes are heat pump only mode, which saves the most energy, hybrid mode, which switches from heat pump to electric mode in high demand situations, and electric only mode. If a heat pump water heater is installed in a conditioned space, it will affect other systems. In warmer months, air conditioners and dehumidifiers will work less, which increases savings. During the heating season, heating systems will work harder to replace heat absorbed by the heat pump, which will reduce savings. If you find that the heat pump cools the room too much during the heating season, simply switch the unit to electric only mode and switch it back in the spring. This unit also has a vacation mode. You tell it how many days you'll be on vacation, and it will turn itself down while you're gone and come back on before you return home, so there's hot water available when you arrive. As heat pump water heaters circulate air over their internal heat pump, a filter helps clean the air. This filter needs to be cleaned occasionally. Simply rinse it in a sink or vacuum it clean. Heat pump water heaters look and act like regular electric water heaters. They have a cold water intake, hot water output, an electric connection, and a pressure relief line. The 2 differences are a condensate drain line and air vents. Water removed from the air through dehumidification flows out through the condensate line. This can be gravity-fed to a sump hole, washing machine drain, or sink. If necessary, it can also be pumped. Picking the right space is important for heat pump water heaters. They are about as loud as a dehumidifier and can have a cooling effect on a room, so they may not be ideal for an occupied room. Because the heat pump gets heat from the air around it, it needs to be installed in a room that stays above 45 degrees Fahrenheit and is at least 10 feet by 10 feet in order for the heat pump function to work. If the room gets too cold, hybrid water heaters can automatically switch to electric mode until the room warms up again. The unit will still make plenty of hot water, but energy savings will be reduced. When installing a heat pump water heater, be sure to follow the recommended wall and ceiling clearances so the air can flow through the unit and the filter can be handled. Of course, it's always a good idea to insulate pipes. Consider insulating the first few feet of both the hot and cold pipes leading to the unit. On the Efficiency Maine website, you'll find information on heat pump water heaters, rebates, local installers, and a list of questions to ask to help you choose the right installer. If you haven't upgraded your water heater yet, don't wait. With the incentives now available, there's never been a better time to upgrade. Remember, every year you wait costs you another $250. Hopefully this video helped to explain what heat pump water heaters are, how they work, and how they can save you money.